Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about the Esteé Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex Serum. That's a mouthful. This is quite a popular serum in the beauty world, and for a while I didn't believe the hype, but I decided to get it, and let me tell you, I have not looked back ever since. As you can see, a dropper is used to apply the serum, and you only need 5 drops for an application, so this allows the serum to last for a very long time. I prefer to apply this serum after using an essence just so that I can spread it over my face a lot more easily. I chose to look at Sephora reviews because it's the one website that has quite a lot of reviews, so I think we can get a better picture of what a lot of different people with a lot of different skin types are saying about the product. As you can see, it's got a really good rating, above 4 stars, and one thing that I have noticed in the reviews is that mostly people really like the serum, but the people who didn't, and those are the people who gave a 1-star review, they broke out from the serum. So it's either a extreme yes or an extreme no. There isn't anyone in the middle, or not a lot in the middle, who just find it meh. It's either it broke them out or they're enjoying the benefits. So hopefully your skin doesn't mean that you will break out from this product. Hopefully you'll be on the 4 to 5-star range of the reviews. But I definitely suggest that you give it a try. On Sephora, the description reads as follows: a powerful serum that significantly helps reduce the look of aging, skin type, normal, dry, combination and oily, skincare concerns, fine lines and wrinkles, dryness and dullness and uneven texture. After 4 weeks of using Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex, 75% agreed their skin looked more youthful, smoother, hydrated and stronger. 82% agreed their skin was more radiant and evenly toned. 83% agreed that their skin looked healthier and fresher. And I won't lie, I have experienced those effects, so I definitely believe these claims. Now we're going to go back and I'll show you footage of me applying the serum to my face. I do a mixture of rubbing the serum in and patting the serum in. Initially I rub the serum in because there is quite a bit of it on my hands, but when I start patting it in, it's just me making sure that my skin has absorbed the serum. As you can see, my skin is looking very plump and moisturized, just the way that I like it. I think it's important to also note that this is one of many serums that I apply on my face daily, but I do apply this one first because I want it to have the most amount of time to do its work on my skin. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like, and if you'd like to see more content like this, please subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!